Here's how to save images in high resolution in Adobe Photoshop. Once your project is finished, click File, then Export, and select Export As. Next, choose your file format. If you want the highest possible quality, select PNG since it uses lossless compression and preserves more image detail. If you need a smaller file size while maintaining good quality, choose JPEG instead. If your image has a transparent background, you'll need to use PNG because JPEG doesn't support transparency. Make sure the image size matches your canvas size and keep the scale set to 100% to avoid reducing the resolution. For the resample option, choose bicubic sharper if you want a slightly sharper result, or bicubic smoother if your image already has plenty of detail and doesn't need extra sharpening. Leave the color space settings at their default values, as these are suitable for most projects. Metadata doesn't affect image quality, so you can leave that setting as it is. Once everything is configured, click Export, choose where you want to save the file, and click Save. These settings help preserve the highest image quality while exporting your Photoshop project. That's all for this video. Thanks.